In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 18th November 2021 and the day would be Thursday. Now in yesterday's video, I said that Nifty is kind of resting on a trend line. If I draw it like this, it is resting on a trend line where it took support today and closed near it. So if it breaks, then the fall could be more on the downside. And 17,400 level and 17,500 level, these levels can come in the coming days. Now 17,000 level can also come if Nifty goes into a correction, but that could be the bottom if Nifty starts correcting from here. In a 1 hour chart, you can see that from here it fell sharply and now it's halting. So the first thing is that it is volatile. It is highly volatile. Look at these candles, you can see. And second thing is that it is falling very cleverly. It is volatile, going up, coming down, but ultimately it is falling. So if it falls further, it just closed the gap, and now this level can come, which is 17,800. Now the gap has been filled, and this could act as resistances on the way upside. So as long as it 18,000 level is not crossed, it will act as a very good resistance in coming days. Today it went, but it couldn't cross. On 15-minute chart, you can see that tomorrow, if anywhere it opens somewhere around here, then it will come down to test these levels of 17,800. And if it goes up, then there is numerous resistances on the way up. 17,925, 950, 18,000, all will act as good resistances. And it broke the support and closed below it. So 17,925, above which we can buy in some quantities, that too in small quantities, and we can add quantities above 18,060. Above 18,060, that's where the breakout or the further movement of Nifty can come. So you can just keep a 25-point stop loss and go short below this level for 17,800 immediate target. Looking bearish. So let's go into Bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty is more weak. You can see that this level is exactly a support level, and this zone could act as support zone, and 38,000 level could see some buying or some pullback from here, and 38,500, 39,000 level can come where it will face resistance again. And if it slides down below this level, then 37,500 and 37,000 can come. Now looking at 1 hour chart, you can see that this is kind of a small candle, and if a big green candle forms beside this candle, then buying momentum can further come for 38,400, 38,500, these levels. Otherwise, if it falls, it continues to fall, then it can slide down another 500 point from here. Now tomorrow immediately, if it opens anywhere within this candle, it will come down to test lower levels, and 38,300 level will act as strong support on the way up, and this is exactly the level from where bounce back can also come. 38,000 is the exact place from where bounce back can come. So if there is a strong green candle beside this, then the bounce back can come and it can continue to move upward or start being volatile. So keeping stop loss below the candle, we can go long in that case. So this zone is going to act as support. This is the, but if it crosses this low, then keeping a stop loss of 38,100, you can go short for more than 1:3 target, and 37,500 could come where it will face some good support on the downside. So it is also looking bearish. So let's look at stocks now. The first stock is ICICI Lombard or ICICI GI. You can see that these two candles form the pattern which is called a piercing pattern. And piercing pattern is believed to be a reversal signal, and this could be the immediate target for intraday. So we can go long, we can buy above 1531, keeping a 10-point stop loss and 1:2 target on the upside. The next stock is Birlasoft. You can see that this is kind of a breakout level. These were the resistance zone. This is the resistance zone above which it went, it broke out and sustained. So looking at the volume, it can go further high up, and we can buy above 480, keeping a 4 to 5 point stop loss, and 1:2 target will be the target on the upside for tomorrow. The next stock is Glenmark Pharma. Now you can see that this is kind of a double bottom, and it is kind of broken the trend line and closed below it. So if this low is taken out, then we can go short. We can go short below 499, and this could be the immediate target. So you can keep a 5-point stop loss, and against that 1:2 target on the downside. And the next stock is Reliance. Reliance is bearish at this moment. It is clearly a lower bottom, a lower top, and it is resting right at the support level. So you can see that this is the support level from where it broke out and then tested, and then again is testing it. So if it breaks this low, if it can pulls back, then we can leave this for tomorrow. But if it breaks on the downside, we can go short below 2460, and we will have a 10-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be the target on the downside, and this could be the level 2400. We can also carry for positional if it starts being bearish. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 18th November 2021, and the day would be Thursday.